Hey guys, Chad Lands here at Guaranty RV with your Forest River Work and Play 19 WCB. This is actually a brand new unit to our lot. Our picture guy and I have been chatting. He hasn't even taken pictures of it yet, so you guys got the first scoop on it. We're going to start here with your 4,000 watt Cummins Onan generator. Those are awesome generators, as everybody knows, the Cummins name. As we come around here, we have a 10-gallon hot water heater. This is going to be all your connections right there. This is going to be your hookup for your power. If you go to a park, you got some nice plugs here. Your water, black tank flush, so as you clean that out, you can hook a hose up to it and blow everything out. Got a nice hookup there for some water as well. As we come around to the back here, this is your fueling station. You're going to fill that up there. It's going to run your generator off the fuel tank here. And we'll cruise around to the back side here. This is a toy hauler, so you got this big huge ramp door that you could pull down and put all your toys in. That's a pretty cool deal there. Some stabilizer jacks as we come down to this corner here. Nice indoor outdoor speakers, an automatic awning, and well, let me skip this real quick, but here's your storage spot for a few things. This is also going to come equipped with two 7-gallon hot water, or two 7-gallon propane tanks, excuse me. These steps are the new solid steps. I'm hoping everybody's aware with those. As we come to the inside here, this is one of the smaller ones, so it's easy to pull. It's 1-ton towable. You got a nice setup here. You have a convection microwave, so you don't even need the oven, which is great. You can cook in this. There's cookbooks on it. I've had some people tell me that they prefer cooking in that, actually. I don't know. I haven't done it myself, but that's good stuff there. Nice covers for your double sink. I'll go ahead and put these back. As we come around to the back, you'll notice that up here, you'll see this wood trim piece that I can barely reach because I'm little. That's going to be actually another bed that you can put down, or you can go ahead and put these pins in up here and pin it up and only take your seats down here and fold these out. So this is going to be an additional bed if you'd like to use it that way, or these will flip around into some chairs. You'll put your table here to eat, so that's awesome. This one comes fully equipped with the cables and the gates, so that if you have your pet or whatever and you want to have a back deck out in the sun, you could do that and hang out. That's a pretty cool deal there. You got your parking spot, obviously, for all your toys. If you don't have toys, you can still get one of these and, you know, strive for a toy in the future, four-wheeler or such. Nice bathroom in here, glass shower. I'd like to add that this toilet here is a porcelain toilet. It's not one of those cheap plastic ones. Then your bed's going to be right up here in the corner. Also, we got our refrigerator right here, freezer, and I think that's about it for now. If you got some more questions, give me a call. There's a lot more stuff to go over here. Chad Lands, Guaranty RV, 702-249-6264. Thanks for checking in with me and watching my video. Have a great rest of your day.